Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming physical readiness. Antenna securely mounted, coax connected to the Winegard Connect 2. 0. Next, connect the provided power adapter and plug it in. The unit boots and broadcasts a setup SSID. Open the Winegard app on your phone and select that SSID to pair. Once done, enter your home Wi-Fi credentials when prompted so the unit can stream. Make sure to choose 4 GHz for initial pairing, because it has broader range and simpler stability for the handshake. You now work through the app prompts. Allow any firmware update, keeping firmware current resolves many issues. After updating, name your device for easy identification, then decide whether to let the unit auto-scan channels or lock on a fixed channel. Auto-scan finds the best frequency, but locking can reduce rescan interruptions. Start the channel scan and watch signal bars. Stronger bars mean fewer dropouts. If you see weak signal, slightly reposition the antenna and rerun the scan to optimize reception. You finish by confirming video playback. Open a live channel in the app or use DLNA on another device to verify streams. If playback stalls, reboot the Winegard unit and your phone, then confirm the adapter remains powered and Wi-Fi signal is steady. If buffering persists, switch from 5 GHz to 4 GHz or move the router closer. One key troubleshooting tip: perform a factory reset only after repeated failures. It clears settings and forces a fresh pairing, which often fixes stubborn connection errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.